How to watch ESPN on Disney Plus. Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to watch ESPN on Disney Plus. If you've been wondering how to combine these two streaming giants, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. To watch ESPN on Disney Plus, you need to take advantage of the bundle that includes Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus. This bundle gives you access to all three platforms at a reduced price. You can subscribe to the bundle through Hulu, and once you do, you'll have access to Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. This is the easiest way to ensure you get ESPN as part of your Disney Plus experience. If you're located outside the United States, things get a bit tricky. So unfortunately, the bundle that includes ESPN Plus is only available in the US and Japan. However, you can still access Disney Plus outside the US, though the library might be limited depending on your region. For those outside the US wanting full access to Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, and Hulu, you'll need a VPN. By connecting to a US server via a reliable VPN like ExpressVPN, you can bypass these regional restrictions. I've tested several VPNs and ExpressVPN consistently delivers the best performance. It's simple. Connect to a US server before you log into Disney Plus or ESPN Plus and you're good to go. There are plenty of VPN options out there, but not all are created equal. I've narrowed it down to 3 VPNs that vary in budget and features. Pick the one that fits your needs and budget. Just make sure to connect to a US server to unlock ESPN Plus. Once you're connected via your VPN, simply log into your Disney Plus account, and from there, you should have access to ESPN Plus content as long as your VPN is active and connected to a US server. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.